Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about select all, and I was thinking there's another neat feature in it. If you will if you're working on this map and you click on that, but you want to select all these nodes, so you would have to go out here and select them all, and that's easy enough. But you could do it this way if you just if you're in your pick tool and you have this selected. I think I have to actually ungroup this. There I've got just the map part. You can use that same thing we use under edit. Select all the nodes, and then you could right click your mouse and you could convert them to curves. You could convert them to a cusp, which is real important when you're working on a map like this. So I'm going to convert all the nodes to a cusp. Then we'll zoom in here and just show you why I'm talking about a cusp. When you have this node right here, you click on it, you've got two handles, but on a cusp, you can change just one side of the handle at a time. So under edit, select all the nodes, and we could select them and make them auto lines, and then you're going to have these jagged edges, which you wouldn't want. But it's a pretty cool feature. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.